stopped at the Flying J there on in Springfield, Missouri. Got a little something to drink, got a little snack. Popped in the Wendy's, had a Baconator. So our next stop is going to be up here in Rolla, Missouri. Stop by the Loves there. And then we're going to stop there for a quick break. And then we're going to push on to Troy, Illinois, where we're going to get fuel, later on, and do our 30-minute break there. Alrighty. Through the heart of St. Louis. Off to our left, we got the main downtown. We got the Arch. Taking 55 north.
In a half mile, take exit 291A for I-55 north, I-64 east.
Exit 291A, 25 miles an hour, because it is a pretty sharp turn. Bit of ice on the road from well, it's vinyl. Somebody's roof, maybe. For a second there, I thought it was ice coming off the top of one of these trucks. Fun dealing with the traffic. Yay! Alright. Just coming up on Troy. Gonna get off here on exit 18. Pop into the old Pilot here for a little bit of fuel. Put in our anti-gel. And put in, top off our depth tank as well. Temperature's gone down about 4 or 5 degrees since we were on the other side of St. Louis. A little bit of ice on the ground, looks like, over in the fields. A little bit of snow in the on the side of the road.
In 1,000 feet, take IL-162 and then keep to the right in 0.2 miles.
There's a Jack in the Box. There's an Arby's. There's a Dairy Queen. You got a McDonald's and a Burger King. You got a Dunkin' Donuts right across the street at the TA. And we got a little bit of flurries coming down. Just a couple of stray snowflakes coming down.
In 500 feet, make a U-turn if possible and then take the entrance to the right in 390 feet.
So we're gonna get ourselves all bundled up here because we don't want to be out in that freaking cold. Let's see here. Yeah, ready. Go juice, and we'll see what we want to do.